Thumbs up radio, turning it up louder, and shaking the earth with more music from the old Gaga.
From the days of oppression, still we stand firm. Rastafari never fall. Leave Rastafari alone. Don't take me for no clown. Through the fire and the pressure, still we hold the ground. Dreadlocks is me crown, me identity, me own. Stand firm like a lion, Rastafari throne. Leave Rastafari alone. Respect the liberty, kings of kings, Lord of lords, divine authority. From the roots we rise in our strength and unity. Rasta man stand tall, firm in our dignity. Mr. Jacket and tie, think Rasta beneath him, but Rasta wise, no man can defeat him. Kind and humble yet strong when we speaking. Don't take Rasta for no fool, no mistreat him. You better leave Rastafari alone. This is a faith, not a trend to own. From the roots where the truth was sown, righteous living is the cornerstone. History show all the trials we face, from ridicule to disgrace. Still we stand firm in every place, with your light shining and we guess. Through every storm we endure, still we rise, strong and pure. What we stand for is secure. Rastafari ever show, the Rastafari alone. Don't take me for no clown. Through the fire and the pressure, still we hold the ground. Dreadlocks is me crown, me identity, me own. Stand firm like a lion, Rastafari throne. Rasta is the foundation of righteousness. Living clean, no wickedness. We bring love and consciousness. Still them fight we with ignorance. Kings of kings, Lion of Judah. Spiritual fire burning through ya. Teach the world to love each other. Still them treat we like we lesser. Hey, everywhere Rasta go, them give we a fight. While we doing good, them doing wrong in a sight. Babylon blind, them can't see the light, but truth still shine in a darkest night. Hey. Stand firm, stand strong, Rastafari all along. Truth we live, right from wrong. This is where we belong. I put me locks, look like them, but me nah switch, me nah pretend. Dreadlocks is me strength till the end. Symbol of power, just send. No scissors, no comb can define. This is more than physical design. Lion heart, royal bloodline. Rastaman dominant by divine. Yo, you can't break what Jah create. You can't stop what elevate. We no bow, we no bend to fate. Rastafari forever great. Leave Rastafari alone. Don't take me for no clown. From creation to now, still we wear the crown. Dreadlocks standing tall, never falling down. Rastaman rise, spread love all around. Clean heart, clean food, clean soul. Rastafari liberty, strictly ital. No meat in a me kitchen, strictly ital stew. vegetables and fruits, natural and true. Clean living every day, that's the Rasta view. If you bring dead flesh, me nah deal with you. No meat in my kitchen, no carcass for me plate. Jala guide I, so me keep me faith. Healthy body, clean soul, that a Rasta state. Strictly ital living, no compromise, no debate. Assistant step in my kitchen one day, say she wanna cook and prepare up a tray. Goat meat, cow meat, pork chops display. Me say hold on, take that far away. You must be out of your mind, me tell her straight. Rasta no deal with no dead flesh plate. Me and no scavenger, we elevate. Clean food only, me nah deviate. Me say step out slowly, respect me space. This a sacred ground, clean living place. Me not one of them fake Rasta way disgrace. Eat anything and still claim Jah grace. From my roots me stand, me not stray. Natural living every day. Jala guide every step me take. Clean heart, clean mind, no mistakes. No meat in my kitchen, strictly I taste you. Vegetables and fruits, natural and true. Clean living every day, that's the Rasta view. If you bring dead flesh, me nah deal with you. Rasta don't stray from the roots we grow. I eat all food, make the body flow. From the earth, Jah blessing show. That's the only way me go. Thou shalt not kill, Jah words declare. Yet Babylon slaughter without a care. Every day them feast, but me nah share. Me conscience clean, me fully aware. Burger King and fried temptation, Babylon system manipulation. Me nah bow to that corruption station. Me stand firm in me foundation. Clean food, clean soul, that's the way we reach the goal.
No poison, no control.
Rastafari take full control. Society gone wild, people losing control. Doing all kind of things that damage the soul. Acting like swine, no spiritual goal. But me eyes open wide, me see the whole role. You can't mislead that, I'm not blind. Righteous living every time. Cleanliness next to godliness divine. That's the code me keep in a me mind. Some lost in colonial doctrine still trapped in a system that bend them will. But Rasta rise up strong and real. Spiritual strength them cannot steal. No meat in a me kitchen, strictly I toast you.
Natural living,
everything brand new from the earth we rise.
pure and true.
Rastafari way,
Now switch for you.
no meat in
In my kitchen,
clean and right. Jah guide I both day and night. Healthy living bring clarity and sight. Strictly ital, me defend that right. Strictly ital, clean living. Rastafari is not a costume, not a trend, not a business move. It's a way of life, a covenant, a discipline. Selassie I know. Real Rasta nah pretend, nah bend, nah break. Live clean, speak truth every step we take.
You're jamming with the hottest disc jockey.
Rastafari is not a costume, not a trend, not a business move. It's a way of life, a covenant, a discipline. Selassie I know. Real Rasta nah pretend, nah bend, nah break. Live clean, speak truth every step we take.
love, peace, unity.
Foundation we defend. Too much wolf in a sheep clothes, but we see them end.
Real Rasta not pretend.
Now sell out for gold, heart pure, mind wise, spirit strong and bold. From creation we rise, no corruption we send. Rastafari live forever. Real Rasta
Not pretend.
Real Rasta nah Some idols in the business claim them a Rasta, but them lifestyle far from the Father. Locks on them head, but them soul out a order. Using John name just to climb up the ladder. Them imposter,
dressed in deception,
turn culture into fashion and projection. Rastafari is a divine connection, not a social media attention collection. You talk about women with no respect, but Rasta uplift, protect and correct. Oh, you preach fire, then live neglect. Your actions expose what your words reject. Rasta calm,
conscious,
collective mind, not chasing hype, not moving blind. We don't watch people business all the time. We elevate truth, body, soul and mind. Real Rasta not pretend, nah bend, nah break. Live clean, speak truth every step we take.
love, peace, unity.
Foundation we defend. Too much wolf in a sheep clothes, but we see them end. Rasta no deal with vanity and hype. No vulgar talk on the mic every night. No thief, no liar, no parasite. We walk in truth, stand firm in a light. How you a artist with locks on your crown, yet tear your own brother down on the ground. Fame reach your nose, so your loyalty drown. That's not how real Rasta hold them ground. We don't degrade woman, we uplift queen. From empress men and know what I mean. Disrespect shows your spirit unclean. Rasta deal with love, not a hateful seed. Burn corruption,
Burn hypocrisy,
purify the culture.
spiritually,
No more
fake identity.
Rastafari is divinity. You use the image for material gain, but truth and righteousness you can't sustain. Couple good songs, but your life not the same. Hypocrisy burning like Babylon flame. Real Rasta don't push no chemical powder, no poison fi weaken your sister or brother. Herb from the earth, natural order. Clean meditation bring you closer to Jah. Don't bite the hand when feed you before. That's not a king, that's spiritual war. I saw through the mask from the core. You never did Rasta from the heart. That show real Rasta not pretend. Nah bend, nah break, stand firm in truth no matter what it takes.
Love, peace, unity.
Foundation we defend, expose every fake. Real Rasta not pretend. From the roots to the crown we are said. No corruption we recommend. Jah light shining till the very end. Forever and ever.
We Rasta not pretend.
Rastafari is not a trend. It is liberty. Clean heart,
Clean hands,
clean eyes.
clean mind. Rastafari,
From them time till now, Rasta man still stand firm. True fire, true stone, still we rise. Don't you style Rasta, don't you try style I. Through the fire and the storm.
Gosh, the music just turns me on.
You are
From them
jamming
time
with the
till
hottest
now.
disc jockey.
Rasta man still stand firm. True fire, true stone, still we rise. Don't you style Rasta, don't you try style I. Through the fire and the storm, still we survive. Hard work, clean heart, still them deny. But the Rasta man strong, never beg, never cry. Oh, hey, don't you style Rasta, open up your eyes. Locks on me head, but my wisdom never hide. Educated, elevated, dignified inside. Rasta man rise, Rasta man rise, Rasta man rise. not get hired. Them say I don't qualify, them a liar. Yet my mind sharp like steel wire. Don't let the locks and the thumb fool you. Rasta educated me, go school too. From them time till now, me stand true. Me nah bow, me nah beg fi breakthrough. Clean clothes, fresh scent at the interview. Walking proud confidence in every move. Them look for me head, then them change the view. Position not available, so I'm if we do. But I won't fall, I won't break. Every roadblock is a chance to make. Through the struggle, still me away. Rasta man strength, them can't take. Don't you style Rasta, don't you try style I. Through the fire and the storm, still we survive. Hard work, clean heart, still them deny. But a Rasta man strong, never beg, never cry. Hustle greens, fruits and callaloo. From the soil, pure work we pursue. Greatest hustle is the life we grew. Cultivating roots, bringing truth to you. No vehicle, still we find a way. Handcrafted bowls we sell every day. Calabash art on the roadside display. Rasta man hustling an honest way. Below span site, construction skill. Sweat on me bro is on me, pay me bill. No poison powder, no shortcut pill. Clean living, that's the Rasta will.
Rastafari,
No beg, no bow.
stand firm in truth wherever we go.
Through oppression, still we glow.
Chagai, this we know.
What you have against the Rasta man? We peaceful people, try understand. We don't deal with violence or gunning on. We spread love across the land. Rasta don't eat no dead flesh plate. Natural food keep the body straight. Vegetable vital, healthy state. Clean mind, elevate your faith. Think Rasta soft, you get it wrong. We defend truth, we stand up strong. No pushover, we firm and strong. Fire upon injustice all day long. Don't you style Rasta, don't you try style I. From the bottom to the top, still we reach the sky. Hard-working man, still them question why. But the truth can't hide, Rasta man multiply.
Don't you style Rasta,
Better recognize
wisdom in the locks.
truth in the eyes.
From the struggle we rise.
No compromise, Rasta man rise. Rasta man run, 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 run. Oh Jah, we're calling on you now. Too much pain, too much war. Guide your people. Yeah, we need you now. Yeah, we cry. Too much war and violence rising high. Oh, your love in every heart and mind. Heal the broken world, open blinded eyes. We need you now. Don't pass us by. For the children, let your mercy shine. Lead us out of Babylon in time. Bring back love to all mankind. We need you now. We need you now. I'm asking God to change the heart of evil man. Make this a better world. Help us understand. For the sake of the children, give us a plan. Too much destruction across the land. Every day is war, every day is pain. Love is the cure, but it's fading away. What are we searching for? What do we gain? When hate and greed take over the brain. Still me nah give up, me holy faith. Put me trust in you every step me take. Guide we through Babylon, every mistake. Father, we need you, this world to remain. Father, we need a miracle tonight. what it used to be. No love for you, no love for me. All them chase vanity and luxury, while we drowning in hypocrisy. Zion call, it's destiny, the only place where we feel free. So me bow down on me knees, beg Jah please hear my plea. Reaching to the hearts of mankind, show the way to the ones that blind. Let your love break every bind, restore the peace we left behind. Mother against daughter, what a shame. Father against son, who to blame? What have we become in this game? Jah bring back love again. Gunshots echo every street, innocent lives fall at we feet, but through your power we defeat all the darkness we meet. This is hell, but we still stand strong. With your guidance we carry on. Lead us right from all that wrong. Put love back where it belongs. Heal the hearts of every man. Teach us how to understand. Through your will and master plan, we rise again. United we stand. Me know me prayer not go in vain. You said ask and we shall gain. Through the storm and through the rain, Jah love will reign again.
Jah, we need you now.
Yeah, we cry
For the children, let your blessings fly.
for your love from the highest sky.
Lift us up, don't let us die. Jah, we need you now. Now, now,
Yeah,
now.
when Rasta step out, you already know, fresh and clean every time. Rasta step out, fresh and clean, if you know what I mean.
Oh my gosh. The music just turns me on.
Yeah,
You're jamming,
when Rasta step
jamming
out,
with the hottest disc
you already
jockey.
know, fresh and clean
Thumbs up radio.
every
Turn it
time.
up.
Rasta step out, fresh and clean, if you know what I mean. Always humble, never loud, but we shine from the scene. No papi show, real and true, that's the Rasta routine. Peace and love, wherever we go, fresh and clean. Rasta step out, fresh and clean. No hype, no flash, no in between. Independent, strong and keen. Living life like a king and queen. No hungry rebel, full and wise. You can see the truth in me eyes. Can't take Rasta, no disguise. No puppet show, no compromise. Hey. Rasta smoke herb, strictly sensey. Natural vibes, no dependency. No nose blow, no chemical frenzy. Clean meditation, mind healthy. We don't follow Rasta set trend. From beginning straight to the end. Fire upon evil, watch them bend. Rastafari, message we send. Rasta step out fresh and clean, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Always humble, never load, but we shine pon the scene. But we shine pon the scene. No papi show, real and true, that's the Rasta routine. Peace and love, wherever we go, fresh and clean. Hey. Rasta dress to impress, neat and right. Step on road, confidence bright. No negativity in a me sight, only good vibes day and night. Rasta don't follow, we lead the way. Setting the tone every single day. Broad and strong in every way. Truth and love is what we say. From the heart to the world stage. Rasta wisdom turn the page. No fake vibe, no rage. Just pure heart, no cage. Hey. Rasta keep a idle party tonight. No bad vibes, everything nice. Peace and love is the highlight. Good energy, pure delight. Rasta arrive there, we run the show. Natural glow there, everywhere we go. No negativity, just let it go. Positive vibes is all we know. man, truth and strength foundation stand. Rastafari across the land. Always humble, never cause a scene, but presence loud when we intervene. Clean heart, soul pristine, that's the code. Fresh and clean. Rasta step out fresh and clean, if you know what I mean. From the roots to the top, we reign supreme. No puppy show, just reality seen. Peace and love, that's the Rasta dream. Fresh and clean, Rasta intervene, spreading light in every scene. Stand firm, live the dream. Rastafari, fresh and clean. Fresh and clean. Rasta intervene. Peace and love. From the days of oppression, still we stand firm. Rastafari never fall. Leave Rastafari alone. Don't take we for no clown. Through the fire and the pressure, still we hold we ground. Dreadlocks is me crown, me identity me own. Stand firm like a lion, Rastafari throne. Yeah. Leave Rastafari alone. Respect the liberty, kings of kings, lord of lords, divine authority. From the roots we rise in our strength and unity. Rasta man stand tall, firm in a dignity. Yeah. Mr. Jacket and tie, think Rasta beneath him, but Rasta wise, no man can defeat him. Kind and humble yet strong when we speaking. Don't take Rasta for no fool, no mistreat him. You better leave Rastafari alone. This is a faith, not a trend to own. From the roots where the truth was sown, righteous living is the cornerstone. History show all the trials we face, from ridicule to disgrace. Still we stand firm in every place, with Jah light shining and we gaze. Through every storm we endure, still we rise strong and pure. What we stand for is secure. Rastafari ever show. Leave Rastafari alone. Don't take we for no clown. Through the fire and the pressure, still we all we grow. Dreadlocks is me crown, me identity me own. Stand firm like a lion, Rastafari throne. Hey, hey. Rasta is the foundation of righteousness, living clean, no wickedness. We bring love and consciousness. Still them fight we with ignorance. Kings of kings, Lion of Judah, spiritual fire burning through ya. Teach the world we love each other. Still them treat we like we lesser. Everywhere Rasta go, them give we a fight. While we doing good, them doing wrong in our sight. Babylon blind, them can't see the light, but truth still shine in a darkest night. Stand firm,
Stand strong,
Rastafari.
all along,
Truth we live,
right from wrong.
this is where we belong. Them want I cut me locks look like them, but me nah switch, me nah pretend. Dreadlocks is me strength,